Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create overlay video editing using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed this InShot application on your mobile phone. You can get it from Play Store if you are Android user. Meanwhile, if you are iOS user, you can get it from Apple Store. Okay, now let's just open this application and we're going to go to the video menu to start creating new project. We can select new and then you can select two videos from your gallery. For me, I'm just going to choose my videos from download album and then I'm going to select this video. Okay, we can click on this check mark to import the video to our project. Okay, and let me change the canvas first. Okay, I'm just going to choose this canvas 9:16. Okay, and I'm going to zoom my video. All right, and we're going to go to the PIP to add an overlay. Select PIP and you can select your second video. For the second video, I'm going to use this one. Okay, then I'm going to click on this icon to fit the screen. Okay, and then we're going to reduce the opacity of this video. So we're going to go to the edit and then select this icon. And then you're going to reduce the opacity. Okay, I'm just going to set it around 50. Okay, then you can keep adjusting guys until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and this is the final result. And then wait, let me cut my first video to make it align with my second video. Okay, and after that you can continue the editing. For example, you can add music or add effect to your video to make it looks more captivating. Okay, for me, let me choose this folder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create overlay video editing using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.